Are you looking for complete dashcam protection from the inside out for your fleet of vehicles? Introducing the DR750X 3-channel Plus Fleet Series dashcam lineup. Each model features a front camera equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor, capturing critical details in high resolution. The 3-channel Truck Plus features a waterproof rear camera, allowing you to monitor the rear of your commercial vehicle, even in extreme weather. The 3-channel DMS Plus and DMS Truck Plus include a unique driver monitoring camera that automatically detects and warns against drowsiness or inattentive driving to ensure safety. While the base 3-channel model features a standard rear camera and infrared interior driver-facing camera, ideal for taxi and rideshare applications. All 3-channel Fleet Series dashcams feature BlackView Cloud and BlackView Fleet Tracking connectivity by using a Wi-Fi hotspot or BlackView connectivity module. BlackView DR750X 3-channel Plus Fleet Series. Complete dashcam protection for all your vehicles. Find yours at blackview.com.